Hello everyone, welcome back to stock market updates for 4th February 2026. The Nifty 50 index advanced by 48.45 points to close at 25,776. The BSE Sensex advanced by 78.56 points to close at 83,817.69, and the Nifty Bank advanced by 196.85 points to close at 60,238.15. Nifty's IT, Pharma and Healthcare indices saw declines, whereas all remaining sectors posted gains. The top gainers on the Nifty 50 index: Trent, Eternal, ONGC, NTPC and Adani Ports. The top losers on the Nifty 50 index: Infosys, TCS, HCL Technologies, Tech Mahindra and Wipro. On the NSE today, 3,294 stocks were traded, with 2,153 advancing and 1,048 declining, indicating strong positive momentum. 93 stocks closed in unchanged. Let us take a look at market news. Indian IT stocks: Infosys, TCS, Wipro, HCL Tech, Tech Mahindra, Persistent Systems and Coforge declined, mirroring a sharp US tech sell-off that erased 1.25 lakh crore in early Nifty IT trade, following heavy losses in US software majors like Gartner, Adobe, Salesforce and Microsoft, along with weakness in Infosys and Wipro ADRs. Mahindra and Mahindra will deliver 35,000 single cab Scorpio pickup units in 2026 to Indonesia's state-owned Agrinas Pangan Nusantara for the KDKMP project, surpassing financial year 2025 export volumes and strengthening village-level logistics, commerce and national food security. Infosys has partnered with Citizens Financial Group to launch an AI-first innovation hub in Bengaluru, accelerating AI-led transformation across banking operations, products, and customer experience using Infosys AI, cloud, and cybersecurity capabilities. PowerGrid has acquired inter-regional transmission project under the tariff-based competitive bidding route on a build, own, operate, and transfer basis, completing the takeover on February 3. The 765 kV Odisha Andhra Pradesh project will strengthen SR-ER grid reliability, with PowerGrid buying 100% equity for about 19.6 crore. Bajaj Finserv reported its Q3 consolidated performance, with total income increasing 6.2% quarter-on-quarter to 39,708.06 crore, while net profit declined 0.7% quarter-on-quarter to 2,229.15 crore. Bajaj Finance announced its Q3 consolidated results, reporting a 5.1% quarter-on-quarter rise in total income to 21,214.58 crore, while net profit fell 18.4% quarter-on-quarter to 3,977.85 crore. That's all for today. Like, share and subscribe. See you in the next market session.